Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to find and install the Facebook application on your mobile device. Whether you're new to smartphones or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store. Locate the Play Store icon on your device. It's usually represented by a colorful triangle on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on it to launch the store. Step 2. Search for Facebook. In the search bar at the top, type Facebook and press Enter. This will bring up a list of applications related to Facebook. Step 3. Select the Facebook app. Look for the official Facebook app developed by Meta Platforms, Inc. It should have a distinctive blue icon with a white F. Make sure you choose the correct app to ensure you're downloading the right one. Step 4. Install the app. Once you've selected the Facebook app, tap on it. This will take you to the app's info page. From there, simply tap Install. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically, so just sit back and relax while it finishes. Step 5. Open the app. After the installation is complete, you have a couple of options. You can tap Open directly from the Play Store. Alternatively, you can find the Facebook app later on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you find it, tap to open and start connecting with friends and family. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have the Facebook application up and running in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.